Welcome back to We Dared Chemistry. In this lecture, we will spend our brain doing some numericals, so join us whether you are a student or a curious mind. In-text questions. Problem 2.14, calculate the mass of a photon with wavelength 3.6 a lambda equals 3.6 a equals 3.6 into 10 raised to the power minus 10 m. Velocity of photon equals velocity of light. Solution. According to de Broglie equation, lambda equals h divided by mass into velocity. Mass equals h divided by lambda into velocity. Substituting the value, mass is equal to 6.626 times 10 raised to the power minus 34, divided by 3.6 into 10 raised to the power minus 10 into 3.00 into 10 raised to the power minus 8. After calculation, mass equals 6.135 into 10 raised to the power minus 29 kilograms. Thank you for your attention. Keep studying with We Dared Chemistry.